Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start Unit 1 Digital Documentation Advanced Level. This is the part 1 of this unit. So here we are going to discuss about various styles, and the software which we are going to use is OpenOffice. So this is the syllabus prescribed by CBSE, and in this video we are going to discuss about the topic, and we are going to discuss about these topics. So for theory point of view we are having these topics, and for practical point of view we are having this topic. So in order to work on this, OpenOffice software is needed, and it can be downloaded from www.openoffice.org. It is freely available software and it can be downloaded from that site. So you have to type openoffice.org, and the very first link which you will have, that www.openoffice.org, which will provide Apache OpenOffice, that you have to download as per your system configuration. Okay, it is very easy to download and it is free software. So we are going to discuss this unit basically using the software openoffice.org. We have done this in intermediate level also, but we have used Microsoft Word. But in advanced level, we are going to use the same things but using OpenOffice.org. So the very first thing required is that you all should download OpenOffice, which is freely available on the site which I have told you, that openoffice.org. So this is the shortcut. Let me show you that this icon is OpenOffice icon. Okay, so when you will open it for first time, it will ask you to download JRE also. So again you can search for JRE, that is a Java software that can also be downloaded from Google. It is also available freely. So you might got that option that JRE is needed. If you are getting that option, then download JRE also from Google. Okay, so let us start today's topic. Here we are going to discuss about these topics, that what are the different styles and how we can create and update new styles, how we can load styles, and how we can apply styles. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. So here, when we are talking about what is digital documentation, it means when we are preparing any document in digital form, in electronic form, then it is known as digital documentation. It may be writing a paragraph, it may be writing a letter. It means any type of documentation in digital form, in electronic form, is known as digital documentation. So let us first discuss what is style. So when we are talking about style, it is a set of formats that can be applied to selected pages, text, frames and other elements. Okay. तो जब भी हम किसी डॉक्यूमेंट के ऊपर काम करते हैं, हम पहले उस टेक्स्ट को सेलेक्ट करते हैं, उसके बाद अलग फॉन्ट, अलग कलर हम यूज़ करते हैं। अलग अलग टेक्स्ट के लिए हम अलग अलग फॉर्मेट्स यूज़ करते हैं। लेकिन स्टाइल का मतलब क्या होता है कि जब हम कोई स्टाइल चूज़ करते हैं तो वो पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे अप्लाई हो सके एक ही बार में। ठीक है, अगर हम एक ही फॉर्मेट अलग अलग टेक्स्ट पे अगर हम अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं, तो बार बार हमें ये सारी सेटिंग ना करना पड़े। एक जगह ये स्टाइल सेव होके रहे और वहाँ से हम अपने स्टाइल को सेलेक्ट कर सकें। तो in those situations style can be used very effectively. Okay, so if you want to change appearance of any particular element, then we can use the style. So in openoffice.org we are having style options, and we are having some styles like page styles, paragraph styles, character styles, frame styles, numbering styles, cell styles, graphic styles and presentation styles. So these many types are available in openoffice.org. So these styles can be implemented while using openoffice.org. So let us discuss one by one that how we can apply styles. So let us first open our open office writer. Okay, so in case of Microsoft Word, the word processing part package is known as Microsoft Word. In case of OpenOffice, it is known as OpenOffice Writer. So how we can get the option style and formatting? Here we have some text, some line of text. Okay, तो स्टाइल का ऑप्शन कहाँ रहता है, पहले हमें ये जानना है. पहला, if you will press F11, then you will have styles and formatting option. This is the shortcut key to get styles and formatting option. Okay. Otherwise, you may go to format option and you may go to styles and formatting option. Here you can see the shortcut key is F11. So here you will have this one also. Okay. So already you are having these many styles. You can see here. This is paragraph styles, this is character style, this is frame style, this is page styles, and this is list styles. So these many styles are available in styles and formatting. So how we can apply styles to our text? So first you have to select the text, then click on any of the option you are having. Suppose I am clicking on heading 1. Now heading 1 will be applied to this text. Okay, तो जिस भी टेक्स्ट पे आप स्टाइल अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं, फर्स्ट सेलेक्ट दैट टेक्स्ट एंड देन डबल क्लिक ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल. दैट स्टाइल विल बी अप्लाइड टू योर सेलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, आप जिस भी स्टाइल को सेलेक्ट कर रहे हो यहाँ पे आप उसका सेटिंग देख सकते हो. हेडिंग 5 इज हैविंग द setting as Arial, size is 11.8, it is bold letter and left alignment. Similarly, if you will click on heading 1, you can see that this is having this setting. Okay, so similarly you will have different types of setting. Okay, so you can select as per your requirement. Okay, suppose I am taking content 1. You can see here the font is Times New Roman, size is 12, and alignment is left, and it is normal, not bold. So in this way you can apply your style. इस तरह से आप कोई भी स्टाइल चूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, डबल क्लिक करके जो भी इफेक्ट्स हैं वो आप देख सकते हो इसमें. ओके, सो next what we will see, here we have see that how we can open styles and formatting window. Okay, and how we can apply the style. So the first topic was this, and then we will see what is fill format. Okay, so here you can see that how we can apply styles and formatting that we have discussed just now. Okay, now we will use fill format mode. And what is fill format mode, sorry, and what is this? So it is used to apply a style to many different areas quickly without having to go back to the styles and formatting window and double click every time. अभी फिल फॉर्मेट मोड में क्या करना होता है हमें, अगर एक ही स्टाइल हम मल्टीपल टेक्स्ट के ऊपर जाते हैं तो बार बार वो स्टाइल को सेलेक्ट नहीं करते हुए हम ये फिल फॉर्मेट मोड को भी सेलेक्ट करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल we have selected this one, and suppose we are selecting heading 1. Okay, so you can see here that the font is Arial, size is this one, bold. Okay, now we want to apply this text to other this style to other text also. ठीक है, बट हम ये चाहते हैं कि हमें बार बार यहाँ पे क्लिक ना करना पड़े. So for that we are having this fill format mode. Now once you will select fill format mode, you can see that we are having pent bucket icon here. Now what we will do, suppose you want the same style to this text, you can select here and you can see that the same style has been applied to this one also. Okay, this is just like format painter of Microsoft Word. If you want the same style to this one, you can just click this bucket over the selected text. Okay, so here we need not to select the options again and again. एक बार हमने fill format option choose कर लिया, उसके बाद that style will be applicable to the all selected text. और अगर आप ये फिल फॉर्मेट ऑप्शन को क्लोज करना चाहते हो, क्विट करना चाहते हो, जस्ट क्लिक दिस वन. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी दैट यू आर हैविंग नॉर्मल कर्सर. अब आप देख सकते हो कि हमारा कर्सर नॉर्मल हो चुका है. ठीक है, सो दिस वॉज द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, फिल फॉर्मेट. ओके, नाउ next we can see here, you can see that to quit fill format mode, click the fill format mode icon again or press the escape key. अगर हमें ये fill format mode से बाहर आना है तो हम वापस से fill format mode को क्लिक कर सकते हैं या escape बटन को प्रेस कर सकते हैं. अब हम नया स्टाइल कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं? ये तो था ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड स्टाइल्स. अब अगर हम अपना स्टाइल भी क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं तो वी कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो. सो हाउ वी कैन डू दैट, लेट अस सी. हियर यू कैन see the steps written that how we can create our new or custom styles, and I am going to show you that how we can do it practically. Okay, now suppose here I want to give a new style to this one. Let me make it Algerian. Okay, and I am giving it red color. This is, and making it bold. Let us choose the size also. So this is my style. Okay, and I want to use this style to other part also. Okay, so what we will do, this is the style created by us. Now what we will do, we will go to this option and we will go to new style from selection. Okay, and let us give any name. Suppose I am giving a new one. Okay, and I will press OK. Okay, so here you can see that here new one is added. Okay, just go to here and update style. Okay, अब ये यहाँ पे add हो चुका है. Now suppose we want to add the same style to another text. What we will do, just selected this one, and where we are having our here we are having new one. Now click this one. Now you can see that the same style that we have created is now applied to this text also. So in this way we can create our own style. Okay, so this was the next topic. Now next we have to discuss is how we can load style from template or another document. जैसा कि अभी हमने अपना एक नया स्टाइल बनाया. अब ये जो नया स्टाइल हमने बनाया हम इस डॉक्यूमेंट में तो यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट अगर हमें किसी और डॉक्यूमेंट में यूज़ करना हो तब हम क्या करेंगे? तो फॉर दैट ऑलरेडी वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ न्यू स्टाइल. ओके, सो आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग द न्यू स्टाइल जस्ट सेव इट. ओके, it will ask you to give a name. I have already given name style. Okay, so it means you first you have to save your document with a name. Okay, and just create another document. I am having another document that is untitled. What we will do, we are having one text here and we want to access the style that we have created in that particular document. हमने उस डॉक्यूमेंट में अपने प्रीवियस डॉक्यूमेंट में जो स्टाइल हमने क्रिएट किया था उस स्टाइल को हम इस डॉक्यूमेंट में लाना चाहते हैं. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसके लिए हमें जाना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे लोड स्टाइल्स में हम जाएंगे. लोड स्टाइल में जाने के बाद आपको यहाँ पे अपना स्टाइल किसी फाइल से लाना है. हमें जाना होगा, हमारी फाइल का नाम है स्टाइल और हम यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे ओपन. ओके, तो इफ़ यू रिमेंबर द स्टाइल विच वी हैव क्रिएटेड इज़ न्यू. ओके, हमने जो स्टाइल क्रिएट किया था उसका नाम था न्यू वन एंड यू कैन सी दैट द न्यू वन हैज़ बिन लोडेड हेयर. ठीक है, तो लोड स्टाइल का मतलब है कि अगर हम एक डॉक्यूमेंट से दूसरे डॉक्यूमेंट में अपने स्टाइल को लोड करना चाहते हैं तो अगर इसको हम अभी टेक्स्ट को सेलेक्ट करेंगे और यहाँ पे हम न्यू वन को सेलेक्ट करेंगे, यू कैन सी कि जो स्टाइल हमने प्रीवियस डॉक्यूमेंट में क्रिएट किया था अब वो इस डॉक्यूमेंट में भी हम उसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस create load style from template or another document. ओके, तो ये तो एक तरीका था हमारा बनाने का न्यू स्टाइल. अनदर वे टू क्रिएट न्यू स्टाइल इज ऑल्सो देयर. सपोज first way is to go to new style from selection. Another way is also, so let us create another style. Suppose we want to provide this font, let us give Arial black. Okay, and choose the color blue. Okay, and suppose we want to create a new style for this text. Okay, so what we will do, just select this one and drag it to here and drop it. It will automatically ask you for the new style name, and I am giving you the name new 2. Click on OK and then click on update style. Okay, so you can see here that new 2 has been added also. So there are two ways to create your own style. Either go to new style from selection here, or you can provide your new style here and you can just drag and drop it to the next to this styles and formatting windows. Okay, so here you can see that we have created our new styles by both the ways, by going to new styles option and by dragging and dropping. And we can modify styles also. Already we are having some styles and we can update any style also. Okay, so how we can update any style? So for that, if you want to update any particular style, suppose here we are having, select this one and we have selected content 10. You can see the settings here for content 10. Okay, settings are like this. If you want to make it size 14, okay, and make it bold, now this is being updated. Okay, here we are modifying the styles. You just update the style. Okay, so for content tense, now we are having settings like Times New Roman 14 and bold letters. Now just check this one. For this one, suppose when you will click on content 10, here you can see that the modified style is being applied to the text. So in this way we can modify the style also. Okay, so in this way we can modify the styles also. We have seen that how we can update the style from a selection. Okay, and already we have seen that how we can load style from one document to another document. So this was about the first part of digital documentation at advanced level. So it is very easy topic. Already we have seen these things in intermediate level using Microsoft Office, but in advanced level we are going to discuss these things using Open Office. And at the beginning of in the beginning of this video I have told you that how to download this Open Office. So I hope this topic will be clear to you all. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.